Hi guys, this is Dan with Index Option Trading on June the 2nd after the market close, and we start off with a chart of SPX. And today was a very good day in the stock market. When the sentiment really turns negative and very negative, that is when the rallies comes and the bottoms are formed and other things happen in the market. Today, the 2 days, last 2 days, there was hemorrhaging on these positions here at 200-day moving average. Market failed and it dropped down, and it looked like for the time being that will undercut this low which was formed on 525. In fact, now we look back and it's called hindsight. In hindsight, this was the bottom that was placed here with this hanging man, and most likely, and that is where the bottom should be. And this was the first day of called rally attempt. If you're a student of Bill O'Neill of IBD, Investors Business Daily, you would know what that is. And after the bottom that is fixed in here, a first day of rally attempt, usually in the third or fourth day there is a follow through day. So this was day one, a red candle, white candle, two more red candles. These are 4 days, and on the fifth day there sure was a follow through day. This bullish engulfing candle is a representation called the follow through day, and that follow through day is shown over 100 years in most of these rallies on the stock markets and new waves of bull markets. So it's not 100% and surety and guarantee that a follow through day will result in a bull market and a bullish move, but sometimes these follow through days also fail, and 25% of the time they do fail. But 75% of the time, the chances are that this follow through day will result in higher prices to come. And as long as we close above this 1100, which is damn near, we are at 1098, and these short orders that are sitting here with these shorts are sitting on this line, and they will try to pummel it. Those orders start clicking, and that will produce an avalanche of short covering, and that will the shorts will start jumping off the ship like rats, and therefore this market should take off. And in all honesty, that is what should happen and may happen here very soon. Let's look at the chart of SPY. And the reason we want to do that, there has been a thinning amount of volume that you can see. There's a lack of participation in the market. People on the sidelines, people not putting enough money into it, and there's just a simple lack of participation. This is what it shows you, the lack of volumes. The volumes have been disappearing from SPY. But SPY closed very neatly above the 200-day moving average and at 110. That was a pivotal point here, and from here this can launch towards this downward trend line that it has to break. And once that is 112 is broken, the market can take off from here. But depending how much force we have and how much the bulls are going to put the effort into it. So this was a very good day here. We started off with a couple things here. Chart of stocks I have, aka M. First thing, do have a position on it. This is a breakout from a congestion area, alerted the trade members right there during the market hours, and it is good to go. If the market holds there, this should good to go. If anything else, the market reverses, then this thing is going to just fall back into this congestion area, and it will be time to get out. Another stock that is making some good sense here is also CMG. Now, this is a stock that is also coming out of a base, and it's a good candidate for a purchase right here. 147, it stops at about 140 or 145-ish. And it does have a good volume here today and made a good breakout, clean breakout from a nice base. So these are some of the stocks that we will be looking into it. We're going to change some of the tactics that we have been doing in this downturn. I didn't like that we get caught with some of these conditions and positions that we held overnight, but so we'll be changing a little bit here, and you would see the difference. Hopefully, this will end in a better way, and let's see if the market keeps making some more advances tomorrow and the next weeks to come.